Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. So today would be 2024 January 23rd morning market sessions. These are the stock will be covered by today, this morning, which is picked by the research houses. So let's go ahead for the disclaimers. The stock picks that's mentioned in these videos is served for the learning purposes. It's not a buying selling call for the viewer or subscriber. So let's start with the overnight market. So we can see that the overnight markets S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq is up slightly now. Now the Dow Jones is up by close above 38,000 level for the first time ever. So we can see there's a breakout last 2 days ago. The market is very strong overnight. I would say it's last week Fridays. There's a breakout in the US markets. So, and on the other hand, the Hang Seng is dropped below 15,000 level. Later on, we're going to have a look on the Hang Sengs. So it did mention then 15 months low for AIA and Tencent pays losses. So back into the investing.com, Dow Jones closed above 38,000 for the first time as record runs continues. So we have a look on the Hang Seng first. So obviously this one is the Hang Seng Index, Dow trend channels. So the previous low would be somewhere around 14,600, slightly below 600. Be comparing to yesterday overnight closing would be 360 point level. I would say it takes another 2% to test the previous low back in the October 2022, which is more than 1 year ago for the previous low. So let's have a look on the weekly charts for this one so we can have a clear pictures. So if it come down to test this level, I would say this would be a very good chance for the investings, long terms investing. I'm talking about investings. The chances for the investings to making money for the long term is very high if you are entering at that stage. So let's have a look on the US market. US market overnight is slightly higher, so we can see the last 2 days is the market is already break the previous low, previous high. S&P 500 is also happened to be a breakout. Dow Jones similar trending as well. You can see the trending, it managed to break the trading box right over here. So it will consider is continuously trending. See whether how far can it go. Let's go back for the local KLCI markets. So KLCI market is trending within the trading box right here. So we need to monitor whether it can break standing above the 1,500 or not. Okay. So let's have a look on the stock picks by the various of research houses by today. Anyhow, we have a look on the Maybank investment banks for the market summary. So KLCI post to extend its gain as the Wall Street and firm high overnight. So it's choppy for the Bank Negara MPR meeting later this week. So since there's a MPR, which is a interest rate policies going to announce by this week, I would say it's going to be expected remain the same. There's no changes, which is remain at 3% level. And then so with the expectation for the remain interest rate, I would say it would still steady for the economics and the markets, remain at 3%. 3% consider a normal interest rate. It's not high, it's not low, so it's a normal interest rate. So based on the Maybank investment, technically they are expecting for the trading range is within 1475 to 1505. So we can see, so there's a trading box right over here. We can draw it larger for 1475 to 1505, right? So it's somewhere this is the trading box to judge what the next trading trend. So if break lower, it will come down. If break higher, the trading box, so we are expecting the trend will be going upwards. Okay. So we go back for the stock picks by today by the research house. The first stock pick would be by the M plus, which is Delium. I believe last week there's a research house pick for the Delium as well. So we have look overnight closing is 104. So they are expecting for the stop loss level would be somewhere around 98 to 99 cent, somewhere around here. So I'll draw the lower range 98 cent as a support. So is which is around how many cents? 6 cent stop loss level, which is considering as a very manageable risk. So we can see the swing is right over here. This is pretty similar like U shapes, and the volume coming in right here. There's a breakout and consolidations, and overnight closing possibly there's a trending for the continuation of the swing. So I would say this one consider is a typical swing trade, and the target given is 114 to 115, which 115 the next target will 120. Let's have a look on the larger pictures over here. So 115 and 120 is right over here. So pretty much acceptable of resistance of the previous high. So the next stock picks by Maybank Investment Bank will be by Maybank Investment, Tambun. We can have a look. There are a lot of stock picks is on rally for the property stock and the constructions. You can have a look inside. There are various of property stock like SP Satios, MRCB. These are the stock you can look into it. So for Tambun at this moment, overnight closing is 9.2 and the stop loss level given is 6.7 acceptable swing. So they are picking the stop loss at the previous low, recent low, and the target given would be resistance 98 cent and 107 level. So I'm going to share all the stock pick chartings in the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channels. You can have a look inside the channels link. There's no charges for the link. The link is inside the descriptions. So the next topic by Maybank Investment Bank will be Shift. So they mentioned the buying range is 615 and 602. Overnight closing is 62, meaning that if the market open at 615, 625, investor trader can buy, they can buy in. So this one topic definitely is a swing trade. So you can see the trend is swinging higher. And the stop loss level given is 565, which is at the previous recent low. Target given will be 67 and 755. Okay, 67 and 755, which is previous resistance level. So the next stock would be Unisem. Unisem overnight closing is 337, buying range is 336 and 338. So the cut loss level is 316, which is acceptable, which is 21 cent level. So you can see the consolidations is right over here. See whether it can break the resistance around 340. I would say once it break 340, maybe you can use buy stop limit order to help you to placing the order once it's break 340. Okay, and the target level given is 358 and 398, which is acceptable resistance level. So this one is the larger pictures. You can have a look inside. So the next topic by the I would say this one is by CGS AMB. This one I need to inform that this security firm is no longer under CMB. It's purely under the CGS nowadays. So the stock picks will be the LSK, DSK. So overnight closing is 90 cent, stop loss level at 815, target given is 955 and 1 ringgit. With the closing price at a 90 cent, I would say this trading plan is not is invalid, for the trader animals, because I believe they are supposed to calling a buy on 2 days ago, which is on Monday closings. So yesterday they're supposed to call this buy. So if they are encouraging trader to buy in at 90 cents, definitely is not encouraging, discouraged, because the stop loss gap is far larger comparing to the target givens. Okay, so next stock will be TAS offshore. So you can see there's a swing right over there. So you can see there's a swing and then retracement, overnight swing upside again. So overnight closing is 55 cents, stop loss level given is 49 cent level. How about the target? Target given is 61 cents, 68 cents. Let's have a look on the larger pictures for these stocks. This one is weekly charts. 6168 is right here. There's one more target is 57.5, which is I don't think is valid because it's too close. Okay, so we go for the next stocks by which is by RHB. RHB, Me Technovations. Me Technovation has been picked by another research house last week. I believe this one's supposed to picking by 2 days ago because of the string is right over here. So they did mention the breakout above 194. So the purchasing buy call should be 2 days ago, or supposed to be yesterday morning briefing. They should brief on these stocks because overnight closing is already 204 and the stop loss level is 184. Which is although the cut loss level is still acceptable, but the target given seems to be closer, nearer, acceptable, but I would say suggesting for the retracement to buying in for this stock if you are interested to it. So the target given is 245 and 280. Okay, so it did break out 194 is right here. It's supposed to broke out 2 days ago, so buy call should be yesterday, not today. So and then the last stock covered by today will be by Wellco. Overnight closing, there's a swing. Okay, there's a swing right over here. The swing is right over here. Okay, pending breakout 175. Maybe I need to draw another line. It's 175 here. So trader can have a look. Upon breakout this level, they are calling a buy with a stop loss level 163, and the target given would be somewhere around 190 and 2 ringgit. Let's have a look on the weekly chart for the 190 and 2 ringgit. So 192 ringgit is right over here. So the trending is very strong over here, very strong. The trending, the curve slope is very steep. So I believe these are the stock will be covered, already fully covered today. So if you want to get the chartings for the stock picks with the support resistance lines given by the research house, I will share in the Telegram channels and WhatsApp channels. You can have a look in the descriptions for the link. And if you're interested to open an account, you can check in the description as well, so we can communicate from there. I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.